What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to make $100 per day from ClickBank. And this is one of the strategies that I am currently using in order to build up my affiliate marketing business as well as generate sales from ClickBank every single day. Now, with this particular strategy, you can start seeing results in the next few days or maybe in the next few weeks. And this is also a great long-term strategy as well. So that way you can continue to earn commissions over and over again from ClickBank in the coming weeks, months, and years, the more that you stick to this and the more you actually apply this every single day. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And then also, if you need to rewind the video in order to understand something, or maybe you need to watch the video several times, do whatever you need to in order to understand this strategy, because this strategy works. Now, everything that I'm going to share with you in this video, you can also have this done completely for you and have a fully functioning affiliate marketing business done for you in an hour, just like how I did. And all you have to do to get more information about that is go underneath this video, hit that first link in the description, and learn my number one way to make money online. So let's dive into the content and let me share with you this simple strategy on how to make $100 per day with ClickBank. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to have a ClickBank account. So if you don't have one already, make sure you go to clickbank.com and create an account. It's free to join, guys, okay? Now, once you are inside of ClickBank, you want to hit Marketplace at the top of the screen. Now, once you have done that, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. And over here on the side, we can see in red, we can see different categories of different products that we can actually find products in order to promote. And now for me, I'm currently in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, affiliate marketing or whatever. So what I would do is I would come over here to where it says e-business and e-marketing, and I'll actually click on this little arrow next to it, and I'm going to click on affiliate marketing. So now we see a variety of different products that are actually coming up. And then from here, we can see if we want to actually promote these products. So what you would do is on any of these products here, some of them will have an affiliate page, and you can just click on this link here and it'll actually bring you to a page where you can learn more information about the particular affiliate offer that you want to promote. Now on this page, they're going to give you additional information, everything that you need to know in order to promote this product. And in most cases, they're going to give you any additional tools that will actually help you to make sales. Now the reason why they're going to do this is because the more that affiliates make sales, the more money they make as well, okay? So they're going to give you all the tools that you need in order to successfully promote this offer. Now, if you decide that you want to go ahead and promote the offer, all you would do is just click on promote, and this pop-up will come up right here, and you'll just click on generate hop links, and it'll actually give you your affiliate link that you can use in order to promote this offer. So now that you have your offer in place, the next step that you need to do is you need to create a simple affiliate funnel in order for you to generate sales. Again, this is going to be extremely important if you want to have not only some initial results with anything that you promote on ClickBank, but also for long-term results. So as you guys can see here, this is just an image that I have created sharing with you a simple affiliate funnel that you can use in order to generate sales. Now make sure you keep watching, because there is actually an important part that's not included on this image that's going to help you to generate more conversions. So as you can see here, this page right here is what we call an email opt-in page. Now the email opt-in page, what we want to do is we want to give away something for free in order to get somebody's email address. Now the reason why we want to do this is because we want to build up an email list. Having an email list will help you to generate sales every single day over the long term. So as you guys can see here, in this example, I'm giving away a free video series. Now if they were to click on this button here, it's going to ask them for their email address. Now once they have submitted their email address, it's going to immediately take them to our offer that we have found on ClickBank. Now while that is happening, their email address is going to be added to what we call an email autoresponder. And that's just a fancy term that we use for a platform that's going to house all of those emails that we're going to collect on our opt-in page here. Now the reason why we want to do this is because, think about it, sometimes life just gets in the way. So somebody could be looking at this page in their car. Maybe they're about to board a plane. Maybe they are at work or something like that. They submit their email address, and then it comes over here to this video, and for whatever reason, life gets in the way and they probably can't purchase that product right then and there. Now, for what most people would do is they will send people directly to this offer, and again, if life gets in the way and somebody can't purchase that product right then and there, they just miss out on the sale. But not you. Why? Because you're going to create an email opt-in page, so that way if and when somebody sees this offer here and life gets in the way and they cannot purchase it, what we're going to do is, now that we have their email address, we're going to send them a series of follow-up emails where we're going to give them additional information about the actual ClickBank product that we have found, and then we're going to include a link that's going to bring them back to this page here, so that way they can purchase at a later date. That's how you're going to get sales over the long term. So in this example here, you can see that I have an email follow-up series of about 6 emails. Some people use a 3-day email follow-up. Some people use 7. Some people use 5. It depends. But you can definitely just create a 3 to 5 day email follow-up series, and that way you can just send those emails, send those people back to this offer here, so that way they can purchase it at a later date. Now, what we're looking at right now is an email autoresponder, and I use aweber.com. And for any site that I mentioned inside of this video, I will include those links in the description below this video. Now, as you guys can see here, I have my email follow-ups. So again, you can choose the amount of days that you actually want to set up your email follow-ups. For me, I have an 80-day email sequence set up. So when somebody submits their email address here and they see the offer that I am promoting, they're going to, over the next 80 days, they're going to receive an email from me where I'm just giving them additional information about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, in addition to sending them back to this particular offer here that I found on ClickBank, as well as other offers on ClickBank that I can send them to through my emails, and that's helping me to generate sales every single day with ClickBank. Now, you may be wondering, Lindsay, I don't want to create 80 emails. And that's completely fine, because with one of the offers that I actually promote on ClickBank is called the 12-minute affiliate. And with the 12-minute affiliate, what it does is basically it has everything pretty much done for you, so that way you can create an affiliate marketing business in about an hour. As if you scroll down this page here, you can see people who are also generating results with ClickBank. Also with the Warrior Plus, you can see my result here, how I had a $450 day on a ClickBank simply by using the 12-minute affiliate system. And as part of this particular system, they have an 80-day email follow-up sequence that I just have to come over here to my Aweber account, submit a simple code to my Aweber account, and I have all this 80-day email sequence loaded up in my back office of Aweber inside of my email autoresponder in about a few minutes. Okay, so it doesn't take me no time to create this at all. All of the emails have been created for me, and all I have to do is just load them up. Now, in order for you to go ahead and set up your own affiliate funnel, what you want to do is you want to come over to any type of landing page software. So right now I'm using LeadPages.com. You can also use ClickFunnels.com. They also have Groove Pages and things like that. But as you guys can see here, I created my opt-in page with LeadPages. Now, I can just create this simple opt-in page here, and if they want this free video that's going to share with them how to replace their income in the next 6 months, all they have to do is just click on this button here, and they're going to have to submit their email address. Now, once they have submitted their email address, and they click on show me the video, I can send people directly to the offer for a 12-minute affiliate, and this is where they can actually learn more about the actual system. They can see how it works, and they can also see different testimonials from people who are actually having success with ClickBank, as you guys can see here, using this system and how they're getting sales every day. Now, the additional thing that you want to include inside of this particular affiliate funnel is what we call a bridge page or a pre-sale page. So an example of this could be something really simple like this, where you have a simple video right here where you can just talk about who you are, why you're using the system, and what people can expect from the 12-minute affiliate. So in this particular video right here, I'm just using this for an example. You do not have to create a video where you're showing money. This is just a video that I had used for one of my bridge pages where I am promoting a high ticket offer, and I'm sharing with people some of the commissions that I earned with this offer. But in this video, it's just a short 2-minute video. I'm telling them who I am. I'm showing them some proof of results. or what they can actually expect from this particular offer that I'm promoting. And then if they click on this button here, it will take them directly to the actual sales page for whatever business or whatever offer that you find on ClickBank. So that's what you want to make sure that you include right here. So when somebody submits their email address here, it's going to bring them to your bridge page or your pre-sale page, and then it will take them to the offer. We want to use our bridge page in order to warm up those leads. And then once they do that, we take them directly to our offer here. They can see the sales page, and if they want to go ahead and take action, they can just scroll down the page, click on the button where it says start now, and they can go ahead and purchase the actual system. And then if they decide that they don't want to purchase right then and there, that's fine, because we have them now on our email autoresponder, and now they're going to start getting a series of email follow-ups that's going to give them more information about making money online, and then also additional offers that we find on ClickBank, and that if they are interested at any point to purchase those products, we can generate a sale that way through all these email follow-ups that we have in place. So now that we have our affiliate funnel set up, the next thing that you want to have in place is you need to have traffic. So as you guys can see here in this image, we have our opt-in page right here, and what you want to do is you want to send as many people as possible to your opt-in page. So you can get people to visit your opt-in page from Facebook, YouTube, solo ads, Instagram, or other paid strategies like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and things like that. So what I want to share with you in this video is how you can actually build up your email list a lot faster and get more traffic to your opt-in page in a shorter period of time by using solo ads. Now, what you can do here is you can come and visit a website called udemy.com. That's udimi.com. And on this website, they have a list of different solo ad vendors who all have their own email lists that they have nurtured over time, primarily in the make money online internet marketing niche. And in these email lists that they have created, they have provided quality offers and things like that in order to show to the people who actually receive their emails. And what you can do is you can actually purchase some traffic from one of these vendors, and what they will do is that they will send a certain amount of clicks to your opt-in page here, so that way people can see this, and if they're interested in getting the free offer that you're offering here, like I'm showing how people can get a free video showing them how to replace their income, they can submit their email address to see more about your offer. Now, what you can also do is, if you come in the description below this video, I have included a link where you can get access to my top 6 traffic sources. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this document, you can actually see my top traffic solo ad vendors that I use, and even the vendors that I actually use on udemy.com. Because if you come over here to udemy.com, there's tons of vendors that you can actually purchase traffic from. And then also, once you're on this website, you just don't want to use any and everybody on this particular website. A lot of vendors don't have great traffic, so you don't want to use everybody, and you definitely just don't want to come over here and find somebody who is the cheapest. You want to make sure that you're finding a quality vendor in order to use to send traffic to your opt-in page. So again, underneath this video in the description below is going to be a link where you can get access to my top 6 traffic sources. And again, I have a list of different solo ad vendors that you can use to send traffic to your opt-in page, so that way you can start getting more traffic to this page, start building up your email list, and that way more people can see whatever offer that you have found on ClickBank, and that way you can start to generate sales and start building up your email list to start generating sales over time. So just to give you guys just a recap of everything that we have done. You first want to come to clickbank.com. You want to go ahead and find you an offer that will earn you $100 per sale, so that way you can hit that goal of $100 per day on ClickBank. So if you were to promote the 12-minute affiliate system, commission here is $182. So you just click on promote and you want to grab your affiliate link. The next thing that you want to do is you want to create your affiliate funnel. So you want to come to LeadPages.com. You want to create your opt-in page here. Then you want to send people to your bridge page here or your pre-sale page. Include a short video letting people know who you are and what they can possibly expect from the actual offer that you're sending them to. And then you want to link this button here to your actual offer. And this button right here will be the link, your affiliate link that you have grabbed from ClickBank. And like I said, it will bring people here to this offer here, and then they can actually check out the offer, see if it's something that they want to do, And if they want to move forward with this, they can just go ahead and purchase that particular product, and that's how you're going to earn a commission. Now, once you have set up your entire affiliate funnel, you want to make sure that you're starting generating traffic. So you want to go over here to udemy.com, or you want to make sure that you come over here to my top 6 traffic sources, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom and you can actually see the different solo ad vendors that I actually provide to you. Purchase some traffic to send to this link here, this link to your actual opt-in page here. And this is how you're going to start generating sales or $100 per day with ClickBank in the next few days, the next few weeks, and even on the long term. Now, in this video, I share with you step by step the best way to make $100 per day with ClickBank. Now, again, you can go through this video and set everything up on your own, or you can go ahead and have this completely done for you pretty much in about an hour, simply by going underneath this video in the description below and clicking on that link to learn my #1 way to make money online. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.